Loud.
Hey, gotta keep it down. Cool.
All right, so we should be.
It's gotta be loud here, man. Like I'm gonna try. Like after an hour, I know fucking everyone's gonna. There we go. Ding.
Okay, now Facebook is catching up with us.
Facebook is catching up.
Yeah,
right?
it lags a little bit slower. All right,
Yeah,
so
of course.
I'm gonna hit the. Starting the car.
For the intro, just tell me when to go. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of the uCrypto Madness Show. I'm your host, Pierre Warner, aka Dr. Reefer, and I'm joined by my world fucking famous super mega masternoding, staking, botting. What the fuck else do you do, Bob? Every fucking thing else. Co-host Bob Walker, aka Miner Bob, and together
We're contributing to the delinquency of miners. It sounds like, when we do that, it sounds like we should be riding a short bus. That's funny. I don't care who you are.
Fucking retards on you.
That's hilarious.
Guys, I'm reporting live from Medellin, Colombia. And you're lucky I'm fucking reporting live from Medellin, Colombia. I've actually got a in-house audience.
We got a live studio audience tonight.
Live studio audience, guys. And we're fucking partying down and try to educate you guys on fucking cryptocurrency. So let's get the show.
Man.
Okay.
So this long-awaited Verge happening that cost 85 million XVG was Pornhub. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I know it was worth 85 million XVG for everybody for Verge to partner up with Pornhub, the free porn site.
Wait. Verge paid 85 million to partner up with Pornhub?
Yeah, you remember they did a donation. People that held Verge to donate Verge, I think it was 85 million XVG that they were trying to raise.
If I remember correctly, man, they were trying to raise 3 million. So, like, 85 million, that's a lot fucking different.
Hey, our stats could be wrong, guys. Definitely, if you know the correct stat of Verge, post it in the comments.
Please post it in the comments. Because, like, let me say it straight up. We are not financial fucking planners of any kind, way, shape, or form. We are sure. And you guys make up your own minds if you want to, roll with us. However, even though I am not a financial planner, shape or form, like, I'll put my fucking results against any fucking financial planner in the goddamn world. So I'm pretty fucking sure that I can beat their stupidness. So I'm going to check real quick to see that we are live in the Facebook uCrypto Madness.
We are.
We are?
Yeah, your green screen's acting up. That's about as best as I can get it tonight, guys. So I think it's a lighting issue. I've actually got some lights here aiming on mine, so.
Okay, pool news and mining news. Oh, you did one earlier today, right?
I did a short one, which I'll give the recap because I know a lot of people don't necessarily watch videos all the time. So, uCrypto pool is no longer going to be an ETN pool. With the
Really?
with the people that we have in it, and when I say that, we have some dedicated people that have been with us no matter what. That has gone way down.
Yeah.
And mine and your rig is 50% of the pool, and so we're making a Stellite pool. So
A Stellite.
it is the currently
Is it?
the third most profitable crypto night currency behind Monero and what the hell was the other one? Let me see if I can go back and check it out.
Third most profitable.
Behind, well, actually, it's showing it's number 2 now. So,
Number 2. Hey.
behind Graph, which has a higher difficulty. So,
Okay.
went with Stellite to be able to, with less difficulty, to try to get people some crypto. And, you know, that's the main thing. So if we're not getting any rewards, ETN has a lot of issues right now with their blockchain, unfortunately. I mean, with the, they've got those ASICs in there, which is making it really difficult. So a lot of people are jumping to go to other coins. So we just switching the pool. So Steve is actually doing that. It's on its way to being done. It'll look exactly like the other one. Probably going to have some things to iron out. I was able to switch my awesome miner to Stellite like that by switching the wallet address and the pool. So I know the miner that I have for my AMD cards is working on awesome miner. And to give you an idea, I switched it over there while he was testing it, and where is it? History. Already got 912 Stellites. So
912.
912. Yep.
And how much are they worth?
Stellite. When I was looking at it a minute ago, let me see. Is 8/10. Let me see. It's 10 satoshis a piece right now.
Servilleta, por favor. Yeah.
So
10 satoshis.
10 satoshis.
So
right
it's
now.
fucking worthless right now.
It's a new coin. I mean,
and what the fuck do they do?
That's good that you asked that because I actually have their webpage ready to go. See, you think I just dick off all day? I don't. I actually do work.
I dick off all day. All day, God.
I'm actually looking at buying a server, and I've kind of been looking at trying to just figuring out what in the hell that the exact specifications I'm going to need for what we're trying to do. And then I'm going to drop some fiat into it and get what we need so we can host.
Hey, you know what?
What's that?
Bob, we forgot to tell everybody that we've had some fucking stupid hackers targeting the uCrypto.com pool.
Yeah, they were. That was another reason why we've kind of made a change. It may or may not stop that, but I mean, we're not an ETN pool, we're a Stellite pool, so you know, whatever that's going to.
What do we have to tell everybody that's mining in our pool?
Well, I did a video earlier today. It's pinned to the top of the uCrypto page. They can go there and watch it. As soon as it's up, we'll have a little bit more. You need to use Kryptonite version 7 miner. The only thing you'll have to do is, matter of fact, I've got that link here as well, and I'm gonna drop this link into the live stream.
Into the live stream.
All right, so right there, you need to go download the GUI wallet so you can get a web address. And it's got to be opened up and synced to the blockchain just like everything else. So you got to open it up and let it sync. You'll have an address there, and that's the address you will transplant over to the miner page when it comes up. So, but Stellite,
Okay.
it's pretty much like all the other ones. It says it's the first cryptocurrency to link IPFS and ZeroNet with blockchain. It says most cryptocurrencies hard code trusted nodes and peers to help users set up their own nodes. This has been proven to work, but calls for a noticeable security risk. Stellite proposed solution for this is IPFS. IPFS acts like a permanent storage of the node list, and ZeroNet will be the dynamic front end of this permanent storage. Says it's completely secure. CryptoNote technology is the backbone of Stellite. The CryptoNote algorithm is released under an open source license that has been adopted and incorporated into Stellite as it forms the basis for a solid, well-tested cryptocurrency application. It is the same technology used by some of the best currencies out there, like Monero and Bitcoin. Says true mining.
Monero and Bitcoin.
It says true mining for all devices. Stellite plans to bring mining to all sorts of devices, from smartphones to smart TVs. We do this by running our custom miner in such a way that it doesn't damage any of the internal aspects of the machine it's being run on. A person can create the address and mine to that address from an endless number of devices. So there you go, smart TV mining coming up.
I remember you tried to fucking put your smart TV to mine the ETN, and it wouldn't work.
It would not work, right?
So it would not work, ladies and gents. So you've got a new project for Bob to do and try to get his smart TV to make him crypto.
Yeah. So
but
right.
Still alive, Bob. Still alive. I gotta say this though, man. Still alive sounds like a bunch of fucking bullshit.
Hey, it's being traded on Trade Ogre and being traded on another pool or another exchange here. So
yeah,
C-Rex 24 and Trade Ogre right now.
It's an easy
to mine.
It's an easy. It's easy to mine. It's cheap right now, and
low difficulty.
They somehow make.
Well, right now by their
little
roadmap on the page, it looks like they're pretty much on target. They've already changed the difficulty on the algorithm.
Okay.
So it looks like they're going to have a wallet and miner for iOS and Android next quarter. So ZeroNet and IPFS integration is coming Q2, so it should be coming. So at any rate, this is what we're going to right now. Who knows? If you hang with us, our dream is to have multiple pools, guys. If in fact I get our server, and of course that's out of my own pocket.
All right. And so tell me about this server, because I told you guys that whatever you guys fucking put into your crypto and whatnot, I'm gonna fucking reimburse you. I don't want to sell my crypto right now.
Well,
when Neil gets back, okay, go ahead.
That's where I'm at now, right? So I'm trying to figure out and work backwards. I'm reverse engineering. I got to find out what exactly we need, and then work backwards from there. I don't just want to throw money and buy something that in 6 months is going to be like, fuck, we should have bought something else, right? So,
yeah.
So I'm doing my homework.
That's why you're my partner, man. Like, you actually fucking look out for my cash.
So, and so yeah, so what we're doing is we're going to we're switching the pool to Stellite. So right now I know Tony's coming. I know Chris Doobie's coming back. I know Mike Amanda is coming. I'm gonna be there.
Hey, I just want to say, hey, Bob, let me stop you for a second, bud. Uh, my mentor, Don Wilson, is watching and he says, "What's shaking, gang?" Don, hey, bud, I'm in fucking blooming live from Medellin. Would love for you to join me, bud. Uh, my girl here, Carolina, has got fucking Medellin on lockdown, but whatever you want, need, uh,
That's funny.
and salute, man. Like, it's too bad I couldn't fucking, you know, see you before I left Las Vegas. But, man, I'm going to the coast probably on Monday. And then, I'm looking for the beach. Oh, wait. I know I saw your live stream yesterday with some tech issues. Haircut looking good, bro. Hey, thanks, man. Hi. Thanks, bud. That's my mentor. I got a live audience here, man. And, like, I and I tell everybody, man, like, all these broke people who don't, complaining about, there's no way to make money, and this motherfucker. Google how to make $1 million online. Take 2 weeks to go through the fucking bullshit spam results, because there's like fucking 5, 10 people that are actually doing it for real and showing you how to do it, action and hard work. Trust me, yeah, you will get there. So, and Don Wilson, like everybody who's here, like if you don't make $1 million a year,
I don't.
or at least 500 or 200,000 a year, you should probably fucking follow him and buy one of his courses. That's all I'm gonna say, because I did. As soon as I got out of prison, and I was in the halfway house, and 5 months after I bought his course, I made $48,000 in one fucking month, and I made a YouTube video about it, and then I titled it "Marijuana Convict Makes 48K in 1 month." And you can put that in fucking quotes on YouTube, and you'll find my goddamn video. So salute, Don. Like, I love you, bud. You're my fucking mentor. Pop. You used to sling all kinds of t-shirts like the one you got. Don, I still sling t-shirts, and motherfucker, like your company prints my goddamn t-shirt, and thankfully ships worldwide. I got a couple of people from Chile who wanted to buy the t-shirts that I have here, and I said, nah, you gotta buy them from my store. We ship world fucking round, and like, goddamn, man, thank you so much. And remember, Don, like, not Don, but Bob. Remember when I was telling you when I was on fucking parole, man, and I showed my fucking parole officer that I made 48K in 1 month, and how fucking pissed that stupid bitch was, because she knew she couldn't take me back to prison. Like, she was actually fucking fuming, and I could see the fucking smoke coming out of her fucking ears, nose. And how did Trump say, coming out of blood coming out of whatever or wherever, man, she was fucking livid. And just, I remember, man, because I had my secretary, and at that time, like, I was working out of my home, and I couldn't have any paid employees at my home. So I told her, look, if my parole officer ever comes here, you have to say that you're my girlfriend. And as soon as she walked in, I said, I want to introduce you to my girlfriend. And the first stupid shit out of her mouth was, is she even old enough to be your girlfriend? And man, like, I knew right then and there, man, she's a fucking hater. Like, of course, she was 20 years old. But, like, she was just a fucking hater, man. And, like, Dawn, like, that was the best feeling in the fucking world. Like, I was unfucking touchable, man. Like, for the first time in my goddamn life, man, I made legal money, so much so, and they were fucking pissed. They wanted to take me back to prison as soon as they released me. And so, man, like, but You're my mentor for fucking life, man. Enjoy Colombia. We'll ship them to Chile, or I'll hand deliver them to Colombia. Yeah, you know what? Like, but Gato, come here. This is my mentor. Okay, this is like one of my best friends. 3-story penthouse. Okay, mira. So you can't see us right here because it takes like a to come. So vamos aquí. I don't know about that one, but like, cool. All right, so let's move on real quick.
All right.
Don, God damn it, man, I love you, and I'll see you soon, bud.
So while we're talking about making money, Syndicate Wallet staking.
Let's talk about making money.
Syndicate Wallet staking. So Syndicate Wallet staking, we now have 11,923 little syndicates.
11,923.
11,923. When I plug that into my little spreadsheet here, it means we've made 1,960 syndicates.
1,960.
Yep.
How long?
26 days.
How long did it take us?
26
days.
Yep. So we're averaging, it's 44.5 cents, so 45 cents the spreadsheet rounded it up to, is roughly $33.54 a day. Monthly, $1,000 a month.
1,000 a month.
1,000 right now.
And I invested something like 7,000 into this nonsense. But just to put it in the fucking wallet, we made 1,000 a month
to hold your coins.
And like, no bank, mutual fund, or whatever, licensed money planner, financial planner is going to be able to offer you that kind of nonsense. So like, that's one of them that I will put, up against any of these financial planners.
And Tony,
right?
he started staking. He's made a little bit of coin as well. So I haven't seen him on the show yet today, but he was talking to me earlier today. He said he's been doing good staking as well. So that's free money.
I need fucking faster internet. Okay. Don even just told me that he needs kinky fat. That we're cutting out. Just so you know.
So
Micah from the Philippines says, hi. It's fucking cool, guys. We've got a worldwide fucking audience, like from the Philippines. Bob, like, you tell me, because I'm too fucked up to name all the countries. Where's our audience from?
We get them all over Europe, the United States, Philippines.
Philippines, Europe.
I mean, pretty much everywhere.
Indonesia, and all these. Yeah, like,
we had some Russian followers.
Fucking Russian guys, help us make sure we don't get hacked.
So that was, that's pretty good on the Syndicate wallet there. I know a lot of people have been curious about this, but we're making a fucking killing on the bots. We're making a killing.
On the bots.
The bots.
All right, man.
So,
hey, Bob, throw your fucking referral link before you talk about the bots. If we're making and guys, I want you to fucking give us some fucking likes, hearts, fucking share this motherfucker out, because we are about to speak about how we're using a fucking machine bot in one account that we've got for over 2 weeks that has made us something like 20-something%, and then the other one that Bob started yesterday at 1-something%.
Yep.
So Bob,
I just
take a real quick break and
all right. So
powder my nose. So
I put the link there, and
blah, blah.
All right. So that's the link to the Crypto Hopper. It's free for the first 30 days. Right now, the count that I'm on with.
Tell about your hostess. Like, maybe the
The you froze up.
The new doctor. I'm the new Dr. Reefer. I kill and rape him, and
You've got you've gotten a lot more beautiful over the last few minutes.
Tell them where your fucking hospital is.
Thank you. No, we're waiting for you. Dr. Reefer is really happy here. I hope you come. Be happy like him.
So where's the hostel?
In Medellin, in Poblado.
Drop an address. What's the address?
Calle 12, número 43E, 19. Piso
How can they find you online?
You can find us online in Facebook, the Kings and Queens Medellin, or on Google Maps, on Booking, Hostel World, everywhere.
Cool. So,
yeah.
Shadow says hola. So, we got some.
Hola.
So, hey, Shadow, we got our own weather women now.
Peace.
We were talking we were talking about Mexican weather women before. Now we got one.
No, dude, she's Colombian, not Mexican.
We got the I know, but no. I was saying that before we were talking. Remember, we were doing the videos that had the Mexican weather women on them. So,
oh yeah.
So
I remember that.
So now we have our own. Now it's just a Colombian weather woman. So
talking about more females on the show and like the weather girl. Oh, it's going to be blah 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 blah, right? And we saw like the Mexican women. They dress all fucking with tight and mini skirts and it's gonna be this, it's gonna be that, blah blah blah. We're like, you know what? That would do our show pretty good. And we could probably do the Colombian version. Like, dude, I know I can get her in a bra and bikini, G-string, and say, the crypto market is up and down and blah blah blah. And come to my fucking hostel, motherfuckers.
So we've got So I never did cover the bot yet. So
all right, so let's go to the bot, man. Let's stop jerking off.
So I put the link in there, but the first bot we started is at 29.61%. So
29 fucking percent.
29%. So if we do
fuck, man.
$5,000 times 29% is $1,450 in
how many days?
3 weeks. It's 3 weeks today.
Okay, so $5,000 made us $1,400 in 21 days.
21 days today.
Whoa.
It's 3 weeks, so yep. So I've got 7 days until it bills me for the first month. So
like, guys, please share this out right now, because when you share this out, the little fucking window is gonna pop up on the left-hand screen, and it's gonna say your buddy shared this, and we're gonna come on and we're gonna talk about like the bot right now, and we're talking about 29% in 3 fucking weeks.
Yep.
Like, I know we swear, we have a fun time and this and that, but one of the reasons why I do it is like, if you can't fucking put up with my potty mouth, and I'm talking about 29% in 3 weeks, and then my Neo with over 200,000 fucking percent, then guess what? I want you to hit that little fucking X and just get the fuck, because you don't deserve it.
Hey, Bob.
We like to talk.
Yeah, we got Hey, Bob Tuscan. I mean, is that all you want to talk about? I mean, because you can definitely exit the show. I mean,
Let me see. What's Bob saying?
You say no cokeheads on tonight? Oh, there is the cokehead. Snort more coke on Facebook. It really lends to your Dr. Reefer persona. How much coke will that buy for you? So, just being a jackass.
Dude, hold on. Yeah. So let me address stupid motherfucker. I can do as much coke as I want to, like, and I can bribe whoever the fuck I want. Like, I'm a fucking retired drug lord, dickhead, and like I do this because I believe that all drugs should be fucking legalized, okay? And then motherfucker, you need to spend some time in prison because murderers, rapists, and robbers, they're the fucking dumb shits that need to be in there for fucking life. Not fucking non-violent people who want to fucking blow some cocaine off of pretty fucking butts, vaginas, and titties. Like, fuck you, dude, okay? And guess what, man? I'm in Medellin. Come fucking visit me and tell me that to my fucking face, dickhead. Because I'll fucking take it to the garbage. So, assassins, motherfuckers, look, here's my fucking gun, you stupid motherfucker. You've been assassinated right now, asshole. Get this motherfucker out of here, and I don't want to hear him from him again. Fucker, I'd be blowing fucking lines off of titties right now if they wouldn't fucking ban me on Facebook. But you can go to my Pornhub channel and where I have my other videos.
Do you take Verge yet?
Fuck you.
Do you take Verge?
I missed out on Verge, man. That is another topic we do have to cover.
All right.
Verge teamed up with Pornhub.com, and so interestingly enough, man, Verge tanked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I got stuck with some bags on Verge.
Did you, Mike? Get fucking Bob out of here and just, Bob Tuscan? Like, see you later, dickhead. I don't put up with fucking nonsense. Like, I'm talking about fucking shit that, hey guys, I invested $50,000 a year and a half ago, and it went up to $3 fucking mil. Now we've come, and okay, I'm barely a fucking millionaire, but motherfucker, I'm still a millionaire. So, fuck all you motherfuckers, man. Like, I'm living my life and enjoying it. I'm trying to share my fucking results and help people be millionaires. And if all you want to do is be negative, fucking kick rocks and go fuck yourself, stick yourself, kill yourself, jump off the fucking stratosphere, whatever the fuck you want. He's gone. Okay. So let's fucking finish that. Thank you, assassins. Thanks, Shadow.
All right, so as everybody that's been watching the show knows, that I started a second bot because of the success of this bot, but over on Binance. So, I'm up 1.83% right now in one day. So
1.8% in one fucking day. When
day.
did you start it, Bob?
A little after 8 last night. So it's going to take it a second to ramp up because it's got to buy the positions, right? And it's only going to buy the positions as the signals come in that I've set up. And, it takes a while to do that. So once it gets built, like, let me see if I can look at the stats right here. Yesterday I bought 128 positions, sold 69. As most people can see on the board here, is you can see when Verge did their shit today and did a tank right here because I had like several positions open.
Like, what did these fucking guys expect, man? That Verge was gonna team up with Amazon or some bullshit? Like, even Verge teaming up with Pornhub, that's a fucking big deal, guys. And I'm surprised that Verge didn't fucking skyrocket back up to 20-something cents. Because it's been there, and like, this shows a fucking use case. And I mean, you have a lot of fucking conservative people that don't want their credit card being hit, that fucking they're subscribed to fucking Pornhub.com because their wife is gonna get fucking angry, and so teaming up with a cryptocurrency that doesn't fucking hit their fucking credit card and show what they buy, man, perfect fucking sense. And really, in my humble fucking opinion, should have fucking skyrocketed, man. And I'm surprised that it fucking tanked.
Well, you know,
Go ahead, Bob. Sorry about that.
Yeah, no worries. With the bot, the way it was yesterday, I started it up. So over that 24-hour period, I bought 128 positions and sold 69. Today, so far, started at 8 o'clock Eastern time for me. I've bought 14 positions and sold 16 positions already. So I've sold more than I bought. And because of the way I have it set up, doesn't mean I won't necessarily lose on some of those trades. But as you can see, like 1.7%, 1.98, 1.66. Let me see. I don't know if I can zoom this. Yeah, I can. I don't know. Let me see if I can take this off. That's a little bit better. But most of them are high ones. I've got a 2.5 here. 2.15, 2.86. I did have at some point today, where's it at? 2.3, 2.68. I mean, sold, I know I had one that was at 4 or 5%. So 5.7 right there. PPT sold 5.7%. So, you know, making some.
PPT.
Yeah, Populous, I think.
Populous, okay.
So
I'm trying to bring Spanker Buck.
So,
do you guys want to see me spank Otto?
So, right now, I am up. You can see the. This is 1 day history, so you can see there's definitely ebbs and flows in the market, right? So, but from where I started yesterday to where I am now is an increase.
1.8%.
1.8%. But when people will be like, well, 1.8's not that big, but we're talking 1.8 of $5,000. So.
And the thing is, we get it, and it compounds.
Yep. So now I have more cash to buy more positions, you know. So right now it's working out pretty well. You know, current positions, if you take all 57 positions I have open, my total portfolio on here is down. But I have, you know, 3 buy orders in right now. And I've got, you can see all the green right here that is in plus profits. And even the negatives, when I start looking at negative 0.18, that's not too negative, you know, because that shit can run really quick. And I mean, even like the first page, first 50 positions, the most I'm down is negative 1.64. So plenty of room there. And be honest with you, I don't know if it's China or where, but when I go to sleep at night and wake up, I usually have a bunch of profit. So, thank you, China, if it's you. So, you know.
Thank you, China.
Yeah, so
I thank you too, goddamn.
So it's definitely doing its thing, man. So we're just gonna let it keep going.
So let me ask you, Bob, like, what's your goal to make the minimum a day?
I'm targeting right now $100 a day, based on what I've.
$100 a day.
Yep, and I think I can do it because it's the same settings. Do what?
Based on the other bot.
Based on the other bot, yeah.
Performance. Based on the performance of the other bot.
And then as
the other bot, we're making.
Yeah, as the portfolio, as it grows, right? Then we'll be able to increase the amount that we're purchasing.
Compound.
Yeah, so the more that, the bigger the orders are, 1% of $100 is $1, right? So, right now
and I mean, not only that, like, the reason we did this was to test my theory of just fucking buying good cryptocurrencies, holding, and putting that, we're putting a bot up against me and seeing what the results are. Because if the fucking bot can outdo me, then goddamn, I'm gonna put, you know, way more money into the goddamn bot. And we started out $1,000 into the bot, and it took. How long did it take you, Bob, to get the settings down right?
Actually, I think it was
then,
a week or two, right? Or a week and a half. I mean, let me see if I can. I can't tell by the bot because it only gives me like a snapshot. Let me see, Bittrex. Stats. All right. So, yeah, I can't tell from this right here, but oh, actually, no, I don't know if I. Yeah, I do have it on the other thing. I believe on my spreadsheet. I might have put. No, that's when I started the bot.
I need faster fucking internet over here, man.
Yeah, there's no.
Everything.
I know it took at least a week because I was running a different method and Shadow was running a different method from me, and then we ended up. I ended up switching and going to Shadow's settings, and we just kind of started blowing up from there. So, I mean, yesterday we bought 100 positions and sold 97. So.
Hey, our friend Tobias. Hey, bud.
Hey, Tobias. What's up, buddy? So,
salute to you, bud. Little fist bump.
So with the, you know, when you say 97 positions, if you think about that, if they're each 1%, I've grown one whole position in a day. But the way my bot's set is it's set to try to target around 2% per trade. So, so with the 2%, you know, that's like 200. That's like 2 new positions, right? So that's, if that's accurate, around $160 a day. That's what we're making over there right now. So
$160 a day. And how much do we have invested? Oh, we're talking the tickets.
We have grown.
So like 10.
Let me see. It's saying BTC returns of 0.17. Let me see. Copy that. See if I can open up my XE here. XE.
Dude, this is cool because I've barely fucking heard of cryptocurrencies, and really the only thing they've heard about is this fucking petro coin from Venezuela and this diet Bitcoin from fucking Robert Escobar.
From Medellin.
Yeah, I've got a buddy here too, man, that has been studying Pablo's story and whatnot, and I recommended to him the Pablo Escobar tour. I'm seeing the Napolis too, and I think he's gonna have a better time with the Pablo Escobar tour. But like, nobody's really. And then I tell people, man, 200,000% gains, and like people look at me like I'm fucking retarded or just fucking crazy, and I mean I can fucking prove it.
Right.
Okay, Shadow 1425.46.
Yep. So that's
going through crypto.
Yeah, so that's where we're at right now, $1,425. So and that's going to fluctuate with price of Bitcoin, obviously, because it's returns in BTC. But still, that's pretty good, for basically setting something up that runs 24 hours and you don't have to do anything. I mean, I find myself pretty mesmerized by just watching, what's going on.
Mira, te quiero que veas esto. Because the green screen is fucked up. And so I want you to see this. Like, I want you to see where it's fucked up. ¿Ves? Mira. See here and here. See, mira como a él no le... Yeah.
Well, the reason it's different colors in the corner like that, I think, is because of the lighting, Pierre. Because your green screen's covered.
Lighting?
Yeah, it's the lighting. You don't have that bright light shining on it to illuminate it. So
more. We need more.
See that
That's noise on the bathroom. You can turn that one off. So we need some lights illuminate. Like, man.
Yeah, like shining on the screen to light
everybody's it up. Amazed that I even took my fucking green.
Yeah, I was surprised you took it, to be honest with you.
Yeah, right. But I wanted to try to be all nice and professional, and so when Bob does the show, like, it looks like we're actually in a studio. I see, you know, how my green screen is all fucked up. I'm not sure I can do much about it, guys. Yeah, I'm trying. That's all I can tell you guys. We're here reporting it.
It's all good, man.
So let's just fucking continue, man.
So Tobias says there's 2 crypto events in Berlin and in Hamburg in Germany.
Berlin and Hamburg, Germany. Man, I met this fucking hot blonde from Berlin a couple of days ago. Man, I'd like to fucking Berlin.
You didn't know Tobias Pierre's a dual citizen, U.S. and German.
Yeah, man. German citizen and American citizen. Hi. It's funny, Bob. I have these shorts that are, you know, the American flag shorts. And, man, like, everybody was looking at me all fucking funny. Like, fuck, man, this crazy American is American shorts in Colombia. Hey, you remember my amigo Herman yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, like, we went to the most dangerous parts of Medellin yesterday, and he's like, holy fuck, dude, you fucking tourist that does not get scared to go to the most dangerous. And he's like, I just took you to the most dangerous part of fucking Medellin, Colombia. And then he said to me, it's fucking crazy because most of the tourists get the fuck out of here as soon as possible. And you told me, like, guys, I love fucking Colombia, and like, I just have this fucking attitude that I can go wherever the fuck I want, and whatever happens, happens, and what is meant to be, will be. Said that, though, I do not want to jerk off more of your fucking time. So, Bob, get back, drop your link in again. So, guys, use Bob's fucking referral link. I don't have the patience to use the fucking bot and to monitor it and whatnot. I'll let Bob do it. Bob's reporting his results to you guys. And not only that, like, if you use his referral, he's going to fucking share his settings and how to use this fucking bot that in 3 weeks is given on one account 20%. And then the other started last night at 8 p.m., 1.8%. And if that's not good enough for you, just fucking close the fucking up. You know, like, I know what more fucking you know, like, sorry guys.
Let me see. Let me go back here. Shadow says that the bot's going crazy.
Hey, look, Bob, you got a new person signed up or something, man. I see you've got a whole $66 on your fucking referral link.
Let me see. Payments.
Hi.
I have received no payments. Let me see. Excuse me.
Well, yeah, you have cash out it there.
Yeah, I've got it to pay in BTC anyway. Let me see. Conversion.
I mean, that's cool because, guys, you guys are going through the same experiences that Bob did, and in the results that Bob is getting, and Bob is reporting the results. Like, we try to do this fucking. We're taking a little bit more time off because my Wi-Fi and internet, for lack of better words, fucking sucks. Everywhere here in Colombia, guys. Bought a Colombian phone. I put 2 gigabytes on the phone. The first time I went on live, it burned through all of that. So I'm not going to spend money every day to fucking. I'm going to, use people's Wi-Fi. If I can report, I can report. If not, Bob will probably go solo. Hopefully, if not, well, it is what it is, guys. I'm in Colombia. I'm on vacation. I'm trying to have the time of my fucking life. And, sorry, guys. I mean, I'm on vacation. Take it over, Bob.
So yeah, we're just doing our thing here and trying to balance life and enjoyment of life, right? So
right?
That's
if we work all fucking day and not enjoy, what the fuck are we doing?
And with uCrypto, the way that we envision it is there's a lot of work going on that people that watch the show don't see. They don't see Jason working on the website. They don't see Steve building the pool. They don't see the messages that come in, and these are things that we do on top of doing the show and other things. So we definitely, hey, somebody go run that motorcyclist over, man. He keeps going back and forth.
A motorcycle?
Yeah. Or
yeah,
it's
I knew it, but they're really being really fucking quiet. Like the traffic right in front of the street. We probably closed the fucking thing here, but it would sound like I know it. I'm doing my best. That's why I wanted to keep it short, Bob. So there are so many fucking motorcycles here, Bob.
It's cheaper to drive them.
The funny thing, though, is that in Medellin, two men cannot be on a motorcycle together. Okay? A man and a woman can be on a motorcycle together, but not two men. Yeah, that's fucking hilarious. But deeper meaning behind that, and it comes back to Pablo Escobar's assassins. They used to use a motorcycle. The driver and the passenger had the fucking Uzi and would just spray people left and right. And so they killed Pablo in 1992. So 20-something years later, two men on a motorcycle still can't drive for the fucking police, man. And they look fucking gay as fuck, man. It is the fucking funniest. They look like fucking homos, And sometimes you see hugging the guy in the front. Hey, and nothing again, gay and whatnot, but it's funny to me.
So,
take it over, Bob, before I fucking
anyway,
put my foot in my mouth.
So, anyway, guys, we've been doing a little bit shorter shows. The 4-hour shows, I think, by the time it's over, most people are gone. So we've been trying to keep it a little bit shorter, a little bit more direct and to the point, and and still do a show and just put as much as we can into the hour or hour and a half or whatever we end up going. We're coming up on an hour right now, and
an hour already?
Yep.
Man, let's fucking more to the fucking point. Because I wanted to cut this at an hour, man. So let's go maybe half an hour more. So let's get to the cryptocurrency market.
Okay.
Let's finish up and let's cover the news really quick.
All right.
So there was some good news out here today.
So with the cryptocurrency market cap, I just refreshed it. We're at $327 billion. So it did go up just a little bit. Bitcoin down 0.92%.
Bitcoin down. Okay, so I'm seeing it right now. Hold on, I just refreshed. So let me try to go along with you too. But I am seeing with 327 billion.
So
Bitcoin at 7,908.
58. Yep. And
Okay.
looks like some small gains right now. Ethereum up 0.08. I mean, single digits. Litecoin's up
Look at Stellar.
3.87. Stellar up 11.33. Neo up 0.99.
11%. Hey, that is nothing to sneeze at, guys. Up 11% in 24 fucking hours. Like, let me see your bank, dude.
Right.
Neo, 66.87. Neo, like, god damn it, man. You know, you break my heart. I'm gonna hold you forever because you know I love you and you've made me a millionaire and whatnot. God damn it, get back up over a fucking $100, please. You know, like what the fuck?
Right.
All right, let's keep on going down.
So,
Let's cover like the major ones, man. The double-digit gainers, because
all right, double
don't
digits.
fucking believe double digits.
Mm,
We have any double digits?
not too many today. We got OX
Yeah,
is up
I don't see many.
13.24.
OX. I don't know what
Number
the fuck
42.
OX is. Number 42, guys. If you want to let us know, because I don't know what OX is. I think it's some kind of platform, and that's really all I know. I'm not gonna bullshit you guys.
Got Centrality at
Let's
61 is up 17.53.
Centrality? What
Yep.
the fuck is that, man? 17. Whoa.
17.53. We've got
Oh, that's a fucking nice percentage.
Substratum's close at 9.75. Dragon Chain 8.64. Mithril, that's one we talked about briefly. It had a sharp spike and kind of going sideways now, but it's still up 8.47 today. And
Man, look at gas and fucking ethos, man. Gas is 8% up. Lane 1.3 fucking percent. Ethos down 1.24%.
gas is
I
inching
guess,
closer to
yeah.
$20 though.
Yeah, I mean that's good. Ethos, goddamn, and I'm balls deep in fucking. Get back to fucking $10, little buddy.
Wax up 9.68.
I don't know what the fuck wax is. Where the fuck's the electronium, man?
Yesterday they were at 89, so we're not to them yet.
There we go.
Dentacoin.
95, bud.
Dentacoin number 85 is up 12.59.
That's the stupidest shit, man. Dentacoin. I remember even of Neo said, what the fuck do we need a blockchain for fucking dentists? Like, that makes no fucking sense whatsoever. And, you know, like, I'm all fucked up. And yeah, like, that's why I didn't invest into that nonsense. Like, and guys, like, I'm not a financial planner or whatnot, but one of the things I can tell you, like, don't fucking buy Dentacoin. Like, that seems like the stupidest shit to me. Electronium.
Smart Cash
Or
is up
yes.
25.37% at number 92.
Like, holy fuck, man. We've covered Smart Cash before. So it'd be 5 fucking percent in 24 hours. Like, guys, you know, that's why we got the fucking bot, to try to take advantage of some of these fucking swings. Because
Electronium, our fan favorite, is down 2.62% to 2.1 cents.
holy fuck, man. And guys, I think we have a special guest for you tonight. Remember James, who bought at 8 cents?
Yeah, but
he said he was.
yeah, I never sent him a message, to be honest with you, so that's all my fault. I'll get with him
Okay.
again, and he's probably like, "What the hell? They didn't send me the link." So that would be 100% my fault, guys. I
So
apologize.
send him the link, Bob. Like, I can fucking cover for you while you send them the link, and let's see it. Because guys, he's bought in at 8 fucking cents, and now it's down at 2 cents. So he has lost kind of like 60% of his investment. And I told him to buy ETN, and I want to get his fucking opinion, man. Like how he feels about that, how he feels about electronium, because honestly, the electronium is being punished for no fucking reason. Like these guys have made fucking deals where they have access to over 100 million fucking people. And if you're still holding, like I am, I'm holding 2 fucking million coins of electronium. So once it gets to $1, just electronium by itself will make me a 2-time millionaire. And I've realized that I'm holding, and I will not fucking sell until we hit $1. So, like, I hope that you guys are holding with me and having the fucking patience, because ding, ding, ding. Um, you have to be willing to take an 80% loss to gain 1,000% and or more. Like, if you don't take that kind of chance, you know, don't expect 1,000% return.
I sent
Go
him.
ahead, Bob.
I sent him the link, so we'll wait and see. I think it's a little bit probably late for him, but we'll see.
You think?
Yeah, he said 9:30 or 10, and it's 10:45. So we'll see. What he may not even respond to it. So,
All right.
but Pundex at 97's up 28%. So
PundyX.
Pundex, yep.
That's another one that I don't. That's not even at a penny right now. Holy fuck! How many? What's the?
It's
There's a million.
0.2 of a penny.
50 billion, and it's got a 50 billion. I think that's the fucking highest circulating supply I've ever seen. Less than a penny, but up 28%. Like, what the fuck? What? And I don't know what they do and whatnot. And guys, I'm partying down, so I'm not going to fucking investigate. But if you want to investigate, I will gladly offer you a spot on the show to come on and tell me what, report to us. Like, is this something that, you know, our peeps should be watching or buying? What say you guys?
Hey, we
Right.
do. I did send that guy from that ICO, and got a response back from the CEO. And he said he would
Really?
be. He said he'd be interested in coming on the show. So I sent him an email, and I'm waiting on his email back so we can go over that. So guys, stay watching, because we're gonna have a CEO from an ICO on the show.
Don't give it away.
I'm not.
The only going to, or I want to say, is that this company has guaranteed that you can't get hacked. And you guys remember when I was trying to do, that was one of the main fucking things I wanted to do. I'm tired of all these fucking hackers stealing all this money. Like, if I had all my friends invest into my ICO, the last thing I want is a hacker stealing their money, right? Like, that's nonsense. But the people who were going to do my ICO told me, if you do that, that means you are in a centralized location. And that means the government can come in and shut you down. And, like, if you have a centralized location where the government can come in, and let's say these, like this, someone's account got hacked, if you're centralized, you have the ability to mark those coins as fucking stolen, and then, you know, do away with those coins and replace them. The problem with that is if you are in a centralized location, the government can come in and then push the button, and it will show, you know, they can make it to where all the coins show that they were stolen. That's like the worst case scenario. I mean, most likely we would have lawyers and that would fight that kind of nonsense. But to offer an ICO like that with that kind of risk, I'm not sure to it. I did like another ICO that they had like a split type of thing where there was a private chain and a side chain that kind of interacts with a decentralized chain. So that seemed like a perfect fucking fit to me. I'm going to have to investigate more. Like next week, guys, I'm going to the coast. I'm going to try to find the beach house. And then after that, I'm basically a bunch of blockchain conferences, find developers, make sure that I've got a good plan and I can execute it. And then we'll go from there.
So
take it away, Bob.
All right, so we're going to go to the big news of the day, I think, is this Verge. It says world's biggest porn site Pornhub partners Verge to accept crypto XVG. So I haven't read this article. I don't know how, it doesn't appear to be that long, so I will go over really quickly. It says Verge haven't been hyping the announcement of their new mystery partner for days, with the initial date pushed from yesterday to today, the 17th of April, after recent controversy over allegations of paid price pumping and issues with Wrath Protocol. Not everyone in the market reacted well to Verge asking the crowd to fund 75 million XVG, which amounted to about
fuck.
3 million US dollars. So we were both right.
Okay. All right, yeah.
So,
like asking your peeps to fucking put 75 million, that seems excessive to me. And I won't say where I got this information, but the people supposedly, the executives of Verge, this is secondhand info that is pure speculation, but I got it from a really good source, was telling me that they were insulting their fucking investors, okay, and basically saying all the people that invest into their bullshit are just dumb shits, and like just really insulting their fucking people. Guys, it disgusted me so much that I have not bought any fucking Verge, and I will not buy any fucking Verge. Maybe if we get the CEO of Verge on the goddamn show, and he could, say, hey, Pierre, Dr. Reefer, if you invest into Verge, we're not going to fucking insult you. We're going to say, hey, thank you very much for taking the chance with us. Like, that's what I want to hear. I don't want to hear that I'm a fucking dipshit for fucking investing into you. This is a big fucking partnership here because Pornhub is the biggest porn site. And like I said, the more people that use cryptocurrency and pay, that means the more coins get either burned or come back to the company in forms of fees. And the more people using it and that have to buy it, the higher in price it's going to go. And we know Verge has been up to plus 20 something cents. I believe right now it's like at 8 cents. So it's still an easy 1x, right? I still like the 100 to 1000x is a lot better. Verge, I won't do it until I talk to the fucking CEO.
So my question is, everybody knows you can look at porn on the internet for free.
I've got a channel on Pornhub, as a matter of fact.
Right, but you can look at porn for free. So what's the point?
You can?
I mean, I don't understand why pay for what?
Okay,
what are you paying for?
So what you're paying for when you get a Pornhub subscription, man, you're paying for, like, they give you, of course they give you the fucking video, whatnot, but they don't give you high quality unless you pay for it, right? Then they'll give you the high definition stream, right? Because we want to see the little pretty video. And then some porn creators will create their videos and only allow the members who have paid to see those videos. So specialized content, let's say
specialized content.
daddy spanking videos. So only the people who have paid for it will get to see those videos, right? And then they'll even put out little teasers for free. Hey, check this out. You see this girl? She's about to get fucking spanked by Daddy Dr. Reefer, right? And then they'll say, but you have to sign up here. It costs you blah, blah, blah. And if you don't, well, you can't see it. That's kind of mixed, man, because there is so much fucking porn out there, man. Like, people who aren't into crypto, I find it hard to believe that they will buy crypto. Like, it's hard to buy cryptocurrency right now, right? And to do all that just to fucking buy into a Pornhub channel. And you said Verge was tanking. So I think this announcement, like, they wanted fucking Amazon. Like, we all want Amazon, Facebook, somebody fucking huge. Make me $1 million by mañana. You know, I think people were really disappointed. Like, where's Verge at right now, guys?
I can look it up.
Right.
Let me see.
I saw it earlier today at 8 cents. And honestly, like, I'm fucking shocked that it was at 8 cents.
7.6 cents, down 23.17%.
That, to me, is fucking crazy, guys. Because, okay, Pornhub, and, you know, Pornhub is Pornhub. It is what it is. But to go, like, this is fucking major. Like, if you do an Alexa website rating, I think Pornhub is in the top fucking 10, if I'm not mistaken, at least in the top 20. So they're getting a shit ton of traffic. Statistically speaking, people, they go out of their way and buy fucking Verge so they can buy the little fucking crypto subscription or porn subscription.
Now,
obviously,
unless you're already into crypto, though, to do that, I mean, you would have to fund a Coinbase. You would have to go to an exchange. You have to transfer that money to an exchange. From that exchange, you would have to trade to Verge, and then from Verge, you would have to transfer that to that account. That's a lot of steps and a lot of time because of the transactions having to be verified and everything to pay for your porn.
Yeah.
You could have jacked off and been done already.
Right? That seems like excessive, and I bet you that's why Verge is getting punished and is down 20-something%. Like, people expected a lot more. And you know what? Maybe that's why they go long. Because they were like, it's huge on one side, but on another side, it's like getting people that aren't to buy Verge. I don't know. Maybe they make it easier some fucking how and sell Verge coins on Pornhub. But I don't know, man. Like, I can see why Verge is down 20-something%.
It says
that's tough, man.
And then they asked their investors to pony up $3 million for it.
That is fucking insane to me. Like, why would you ask? Like, did they not have an ICO to raise their fucking money? Okay, so Shadow says, well, watch the uCrypto Manny shows. We make it easy for them, right? You think about this, like, if I'm going to launch an ICO, I need this most developers and everything. Okay, great. But then imagine after that, I come and say, hey, guys, I need you and to donate, not to fucking buy, but to donate $3 million and help me get onto agreement, you know, with Pornhub.
But they didn't even say Pornhub. Nobody knew what the partnership was going to be. So that was kind of underhanded. They didn't give their people that was shady. You know, they didn't give them the opportunity to say no. You know, because
way shady.
Being in Georgia, I know there is some devout Christian sitting around that donated Verge that now is like I donated 1,000 Verge to a porn site.
That is fucking hilarious. All right, that you know, some Christian guy. Oh yeah, I want to donate to help Verge grow and blah blah. He gets, yeah, we partnered up with fucking Pornhub. That fucking Christian guy must be fucking throwing up and sick to his fucking stomach. And Verge doesn't realize that they burned some of their fucking investors. And they should have been just straight up about it. Hey, we're thinking about partnering up with a porn website. You guys to donate $3 million worth of fucking coins so we can make this happen. And Verge is going to skyrocket in price. And now they donated this money. They come out with their announcement, and it drops 20. Like, people are fucking disappointed big time.
Right.
In my humble opinion, you know.
So let's go on with the article a little bit. It says,
Let's go on.
In order to release the name of their new partner, so they had to give $3 million to get it released, leading to speculation that no such partner existed and that Verge were simply driving the price of their coin with publicity and or to pull an exit scam. In line with, it says, in line with our mission to empower people to bring blockchain transactions into everyday life, we are thrilled to announce efforts to establish the largest cryptocurrency collaboration to hit the market. Read the crowdfunding statement. Help us accelerate this crowdfunding effort and reach our target goal. However, Verge came through this morning with the announcement that Pornhub, the world's biggest porn site and the 36th most visited site on the internet, is the secret
36,
partner.
all right.
And
I was off, guys, because I said maybe in the top 20, but Bob just corrected me. It's 36. You know, I got it wrong.
It says, is the secret partner, and they will be accepting XVG payments for premium subscriptions. XVG is an anonymous privacy coin which, unlike credit card payments, won't leave a record of the transaction. Pornhub released a blog post and video about the new payment options, describing the move as an important foray into the future. The blog post is fully safe for work. While the video contains some sexually suggestive imagery, the future has come in our efforts to keep current with our community's privacy and payment preferences. Pornhub will now be accepting Verge as a means of payment for services like Pornhub Premium and more on our platforms, building on Verge's core values of security, anonymity, and practicality. The introduction of this cryptocurrency as means of payment, Pornhub signifies an important foray into the future from the industry that is always on the cutting edge of technology. Pornhub has further announced that the partnership will extend to partner sites like Brazzers as well, where Verge will be accepted as a payment for adult video games. Verge now say that the $3 million raised in exchange for the announcement will go towards Pornhub platform integration and Ledger integration. Although the Ledger team have said no such integration is planned. The price of Verge reached 10 cents over the past week and has dropped to 7 cents at the time of writing, directly after the announcement. It's possible that overhyping and falsely suggesting that token pay were the new partner has led to heightened expectations within the community.
Fuck yeah. That's exactly what happened. These people are fucking pissed that they partnered up with a fucking porn site, and maybe, you know, a lot of these people were Christians. I fucking doubt it though. Most people in fucking crypto don't give a fuck about whatever they want to make money. And they're seeing that, you know, Pornhub, like, okay, but most people who watch porn don't fucking pay money because there's so much shit that's free. You know, other people will give it out in high definition if you won't. So it's tough to make a living. Or, you know what, maybe we could get somebody who produces even though I have a Pornhub channel, you can see all my stuff for free. But for people that really produce it professionally and make a living off of it, I'd like to hear what they're, if they think that this is going to benefit them in any way, shape, or form. Because I fucking doubt it, man. I really do. Like,
Well,
they should not only purge, but they should accept a bunch of fucking cryptos. Like, what the fuck?
well,
Some people don't give a fuck if it leads back to their wallet or not. Like, I don't. I can pay in Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever. Just give me my goddamn porn. Give me the prettiest girls. I'm gonna fucking spank them. Take it over, Bob.
all right, so here's some more news today. UK banking giant Barclays may open a cryptocurrency trading desk.
Ooh,
So
Barclays.
This is one of the world's largest investment banks is quietly holding high-level discussions about establishing a dedicated cryptocurrency trading desk. Bloomberg reports that Barclays PLC, the second largest bank in the UK, has begun gauging client interest in setting up a cryptocurrency trading desk. The discussions will still preliminarily. Wait a minute. The discussions are still preliminary, sources say, and the bank is attempting to determine the feasibility of such an operation as well as whether there is sufficient client demand to justify a full-featured trading desk. We constantly monitor developments in the digital currency space and will continue to have a dialogue with our clients on their needs and intentions in this market. Barclays spokesman...
How funny is that, Bob? Because almost every goddamn country in the world has told their credit card people, like, we're not gonna accept your credit card fucking purchases for crypto. You gotta do it on your debit card. And in India, where they even banned fucking a debit card, like, they've made it really fucking tough for people to buy into crypto, and that's one of the reasons that we fucking dropped down from the 800 billion to 300 and whatever we are right now.
327 or something like that.
327. Like, they fucking hate crypto, and so for them, Barclays now to fucking start to say, hey, you know what? A lot of our customers want to buy crypto. And it kind of makes sense. Let us, inquiring minds want to know.
Well, you know, it's really interesting because if you look at people that have been very successful, they tend to take opportunities, right? Risk. Yeah. It is a risk, but an opportunity as well. I guess they're almost synonymous in business, right? So it doesn't appear to be an opportunity until after it becomes successful, right? Then they're like, oh, he took the opportunity. Well, no, it was a risk 100% when he started. So with this, it's just going to take one to do it and go full on towards integrating crypto. And when they're successful, they will be the Bitcoin of that market, right? They will be the forefront, the frontier. They'll be the one that everybody jumps on with. So,
remember, guys, like, hold on, Bob. Like, remember, guys, we fucking talked about, like, how the fuck can $100 billion just evaporate from the market? And then the other day, like, 100 billion came back in within 12 fucking hours. Like, this doesn't make sense to me because it's so hard for me to cash out. Maybe they go into Tether or whatnot, but it doesn't fucking add, it doesn't compute. But you think now, like, we've all been talking about how we are all expecting institutional money to come in now. And it makes sense. Like, I read an article, I'm not sure where it was anymore. I didn't save it. Maybe I sent it to you, Robert. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. But they were saying the institutional people are not going to buy in until the SEC says that, it's safe, right? And we're still a ways away from that.
but part of them coming into it would stabilize it more.
Definitely. And I think we'll bring in fucking hundreds of billions of dollars.
Well,
Like,
just think if they could go about it and they could say, all right, guys, starting Monday, you'll be able to buy and trade cryptocurrencies. They're traders, the people that manage their funds, right?
Well, imagine this, Bob. What if Fidelity said, hey, you can put 10% of your portfolio into cryptocurrency? Like, that would put us in over $1 billion, and everybody who's in right now would have like 10 to fucking 50x overnight. Like, that's crazy. But that's where we are in the fucking market, guys. Like, I compare it a lot to the medical marijuana market. When I first got into it, like, there were no stores, no nothing, you know, and we were building it up slowly. And then once it was legalized by the state and they gave out licenses, all these fucking stores opened up. It went to other states. Like, this is where we are at crypto. And like, we've got an easy, like, we're 10 years before the fucking, before everybody and their fucking grandma gets into it. So, like, fucking get in, put in what you can. You know, I've given the goddamn story, like, I would put in $200 into like Stratus, and it went up to like $280 something thousand, or 50 or 1,200 into Neo, and that went up to like a fucking mil. Like, this kind of risk, but the reward dictates that you take the fucking chance. Like, you can take $200 and put it on a fucking bet on a football game. But why would you do that when you can buy into crypto and maybe get fucking 200, 100,000%? Like, that's a fucking no-brainer, man. You know, like, and I'm screaming from the top of God. Like, that's my goddamn phone, Bob. Go ahead, take over.
Well, I can't with the phone ringing.
Yeah, like, I'm gonna hang it up, but like, it's stupid. Right?
So, anyway, that's another from CCN where we like to pull stuff from, and I thought that was a pretty interesting article.
That was a good one.
Another one that I saw, since we have so many people from the Philippines that watch, it says Philippines warns against cloud mining contracts, threatens to jail unregistered solicitors.
Whoa.
So
It might put you to fucking death in the Philippines.
So that's another. It's not very long, but it says the Philippine Securities and Exchange Commission has advised the public against social media offers to invest in cloud mining contracts and has warned unregistered solicitors they face imprisonment under Philippines law. A government investigation has determined that certain parties offering such contracts define cloud mining as a process for acquiring cryptocurrency by using shared mining equipment based on a remote data center. The investors fund the purchase of the mining equipment. So it says numerous foreign and local companies solicit cloud mining companies in the Philippines and require investors to register an online account and then make payment in either fiat or cryptocurrency for the mining contracts, the notice stated. The companies promise to pay the investor daily or weekly from mining proceeds. They also offer commissions to investors for recruiting other investors who registers. Affiliate program, right? Says a cloud mining contract, according to a court decision, is regulated by the country's securities law since it involves a financial investment, the notice stated. It also falls under the securities law because the investment is a common enterprise involving pooled funds and there is an expectation of profits. The fact that cloud mining company performs the profit-generating activities and distributes profits to investors also places the contract under the Commission's jurisdictions. So, it says such entities are required to be registered and licensed to sell securities to the public, the notice stated. Parties representing these contracts on the internet are subject to prosecution and can be held criminally liable. they can be sentenced to 21 years in prison. Those who recruit others to invest in such ventures can also be held criminally liable or accordingly sanctioned or penalized. So watch out if you're in the Philippines.
Well, not only that, but like, I actually fucking like that, man. And then anybody or any ICO that fucking launches and you just fucking take your investors' money and fucking run, motherfucker, you should be hunted down and do 21 years in fucking prison. Teach you fucking bumps a lesson.
So right now we just went over an hour and a half.
All right.
We've covered some news. We've covered the bot.
Okay.
We've covered the staking. Are we missing anything?
The news, the bot, the market cap. Like, guys, I was hoping that we would get to 350 billion at least. You know, and actually, I was fucking shocked that we went from 260 mil to 320. So, like, I should be just thanking my lucky stars, and actually, all of us watching the fucking show that own crypto should be thanking our lucky stars. Like, we're gonna get back up there, guys, and it is fucking painful right now. Like, guys, I was a multi-millionaire. I'm no longer a fucking multi-millionaire. I am barely a fucking millionaire. I'm on a fucking budget. I have to budget myself. Like, man, if I didn't have to budget myself, I would take a fucking van and they'd be full of fucking hookers and we'd be fucking partying down, having a fucking blast. So, like, I have to take a taxi now. And only a couple of them fit in a fucking taxi. So, guys, for all of you that sold and fucking dumped on me, like, I'm still fucking holding assholes, and you're gonna miss out. You're gonna miss out on the bull run. We're gonna get back there. I know we are. Like, crypto is the fucking future, guys. All of you guys know it. Most of, you know, when you make a purchase or whatnot, got it right there. So most of the time when you make a fucking purchase, you do it with your debit card, your credit card. It's just a fucking bunch of numbers going here and there and transactions getting processed. Like, it's a no fucking brainer that it's going into digital money. There's no cost to print it. The mining, you get rewarded. The staking, you get rewarded. I know it. I think most of the people know. We all have our fucking doubts when it goes down, and we're like, really? Like, I'm gonna be poor again. Like, yeah. But, okay, the fucking trash guys are here. They have making fucking noise. All right, so let's just fucking end this, man. I want to fucking party down. Guys, I'm still a fucking millionaire. I'm on a goddamn budget. I don't spend that much. And you know what? Like, in Colombia, man, if you're a cool guy and you have good intentions, like, most people know that, feel that, and you don't have to spend much, man. Like, it is hard for me to spend more than like $300 a night, and that would be like with 5 fucking, or maybe even 10 hookers. I don't know, man. The maximum I've had is 3. Right, but I probably want to outdo myself before I come back to America. I don't know. We'll see, because I'm on a budget, okay, and I don't want to sell any more of my fucking crypto. So, like, all I can say, guys, is be fucking tough. And one of the reasons, like, why I do this show and I show you guys, and even when we go fucking down, like, I've lost over $2 fucking million. And I report this to you guys, like, so you guys see, you know, you gotta have balls of fucking steel, big fucking balls of steel, to be able to take the goddamn pain and still be in and not sell like a little fucking girl. This is gonna be fucking worth it, guys. Like, the institutional money will come in. And when it comes in, and if you weren't in, you're gonna fucking lose. Are we ending, Bob?
We will be as soon as you're done talking.
Cool.
I'm not going to cut you off. So,
Thank you, Bob.
you know, I'm courteous like that. All right, guys. So we appreciate every one of you guys. Yeah, we'll give you the fist bump. I'm gonna go ahead and run this exit video, and we're gonna get out of here for tonight. So, thank you for tuning in, sharing, being a part of the show, and go ahead.
I did want to say this either tomorrow or the next day, depending on how my back feels, guys. Because I can't fucking ride around sitting down for too long of a time without my back hurting. But I've got a guy that we're going to go into every fucking barrio into Medellin, even the most fucking dangerous ones. And it's funny because I went there last night. And you remember Herman?
Yes.
Bob? So my guy last night, we were in one of the most dangerous parts of Medellin last night. And he's like, motherfucker, man, I cannot believe you. And he's like, I'm like, what the fuck? He's like, do you realize that you are in the most dangerous fucking part of Medellin? I said, really? Cool. And he's like, no. He's like, I've been living here for 31 fucking years, driving a taxi, and no fucking tourist wants to be in the fucking most dangerous state. They usually tap them on the, get the fuck out of here, get the fuck out of here right now. I don't want to fucking be here. And then he says to me, he's like, you're fucking crazy. Like, you tell me to pull over and let's get out and fucking drink a tinto and have a cigarette. And I'm like, yeah, dude, I'm fucking Dr. Reefer home. Hey guys, if you want to buy my shirt, go to drreefer.com. Because I'm world fucking famous, and buddy, whoever wears my goddamn shirt, I'm going to make you a fucking millionaire. Now, I can't make you a fucking millionaire if you don't take action, goddamn advice, right? But if you do, and if you put your fucking mind to work and some homework, goddamn it, you're gonna be a millionaire. Like, don't listen to the downers or the negative people. Like, do your fucking homework. Think where we're going in the future, why it makes sense, put your money in good fucking coins, and then even, 1 to 10x, the safest ones, 10 to 100x, risky, and then 100 to 1000x, bullshit ideas on the paper that might come true. Like, that's what I did, okay? And my best example is ant share. Just fucking ants with a fucking helmet on. I wouldn't say helmet, but like a space helmet. Intense look. And it was some fucking China company. And I was like, you know what? I like ants, man. They all fucking stick together, work together fucking hard, strong as fuck guy. I like this guy because he's got an intense look. I fucking put 2 Bitcoins in it, and the motherfucker made me almost $2 million. Right now, it's like, I try not to check you guys because it fucking hurts right now. You know? Bob, are you checking it? Don't fucking tell me, man, because I haven't checked. So let's just end it here, guys.
All right, I'm gonna.
We got fucking.
Let me go ahead.
Police, fucking sirens, and everybody wants to party down and fucking turn the music back up. I'm stopping the fucking party right now.
All right, so let me run the exit, and we'll get out of here. So, guys, have a good one.
Let's run the exit.
All right, we'll run the exit.
Salute. Fist bump. Come to Colombia. They do have private rooms. Nitpicky like me, and only one fucking hot girl here. I told them, like, I want the private room with a couple extra beds, and guess what, Caro? You can rent those fucking rooms out too, or those beds, but only to fucking hot females. Like, I don't want any fucking males in my room. She's like, really? All right, cool. I get you down. We get them from fucking Sweden, Switzerland, Australia, wherever, man. But there's a lot of fucking hot girls around here. And you know what? It's time to end the fucking show and go fucking chase some hot girls.
All right, talk.
I love you guys. Peace out, man.